As long as we are done with long division, today we are going to start with estimating quotient. But first, let us revise some words. Okay, in such this example, 481 divided by 9, the quotient is 53 and the remainder is 4. Remember, this is the divided, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and last thing, this is the remainder. Okay, let's make a small exercise about how to divide it in long division. So, again, we have 481 divided by 9, timetable of 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here is the timetable of 9. Easy. Steps are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Next, start dividing the first digit, 4, between the 0 and the 9. Bubble, pops, multiply. I'm gonna do it fast, guys. 0 times 9, 0, 4, bring down, 8, 48 again, back to divide, the bubble, 48. Where's 48? It's here. Bubble around the 5, goes up, 5 times 4, it's here, above the string. 5 times 9 equals 45, subtract, 3, bring down the 1, 31, back to divide, bubble, where's 31? It's here. 3, bubble, times 9, here it is, 27, subtract. And guys, pay attention, most of the mistakes that I saw in your homeworks, that when you regroup while subtracting, 1 take away 7 is not allowed, so the 1 becomes 11 and the 3 becomes 2. Most of you regrouped 1 as 10. Please beware. Now, take away 7 from 11. The answer is 4. 2 take away 2 equals 0. Remember, we can redo or rewrite this question as 481 divided by 9 equals the quotient 53, remainder 4. That's how you write down the division sentence at the end. Okay? Now, let's take a word problem. This is a word problem, round up or down. Example, sorry, there's something is missing. 124 eggs are packed in boxes of 5. That means those eggs are going to be divided or packed in boxes of 5. How many boxes are needed? How many boxes are needed? So we are going to use the long division. Okay, let me bring an extra paper, because the room here is not enough. And there is a point about this question. I'm going to explain it later. Okay, so we are going to do the steps of long division for this question. Timetable of 5, because we are going to divide 124 by 5. 0, 1, 2. Timetable of 5 is easy, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 5. Okay, I guess the rest of the... Okay, I guess it's good right now. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I'm not going to slow down, guys. Please practice long division if you didn't master the skill yet. Divide, multiply, subtract, then bring down. Okay. 1, it's here. 0, up, multiply, 0, subtract, bring down 2. 12, it's here. Bubble, 2 up, 2 times 5. 10, subtract 2, bring down the 4. 24 is here. 4 is up, 4 times 5 equals 20. Subtract 4, 0. Then we are done. Okay, about this question. So after I divided 124 divided by 5 equals the quotient is 24 remainder. Let's remember what's the remainder. The remainder is 4. Are you going to leave these 4 alone without putting them into a box? Can we? So 124 boxes, we will need 24 boxes, but 4 eggs are going to be left out. We can't leave them out. So how many boxes could we fill with 124? We need the 24 boxes plus an extra box to fill the 4 eggs into it, which equals we need 25 boxes, guys. Okay, this is why I needed you to know this example, because the left remainder needs to be packed into these boxes. Okay, so such these questions, when they ask you how many boxes, how many bags, how many cabinets or something needed to fill in these number of items that you are going to divide, you need an extra unit to put the rest or the remainder in. Okay, now let's move on to our estimating the quotient, the title of our lesson. Okay, those questions are from your textbook, your learner's book, on page number 19. This is question number 1. I'm going to take these questions as examples to show you each different situation. Okay, guys. I guess both of them have the same situation because I'm gonna show you both situations. All of these are having the same thing. Okay, let's start the first question. Question number A. I have 336 divided by 7. They are asking us to estimate first and then calculate using what? Long division. Okay, let's leave this paper side. In this question, I prefer that you would divide your place of work into 2 places, one for estimation and one for doing the long division. This is long division, 336 divided by 7, and here how to estimate. I'm going to show you first how to estimate. 336 divided by 7. This is estimating for long division. Because it's different than estimating long multiplication, the steps are different. Okay, while starting on estimating, you have to look at the first two digits, because we all know that the multiples of 7, I'm going to show you here, multiples of 7, most of them has 2 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 7, 14, 2 digits. 21, 2 digits. 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and the last thing is 63. So most of the multiples of the 7, as you can see, they have 2 digits. So when you have this estimating the quotient problem, you have to look at the first 2 digits and ask yourself, 33 as a multiple, it comes here. I'm gonna do it in small handwriting. 33. Okay, guys, is 33 closer to 28 or closer to 35? As you can see, the distance between 28 and 33 are 5 steps. The difference between 33 and 35 is only 2 steps. So I can estimate the 33 to the closest one. So I'm not going to round backwards to 28. I'm going to round up. So after this step, 33 is going to be rounded to 35. Okay, guys, so 33 is going to be rounded up to 35, and the rest of the digits, they are going to be rounded into 0. Again, 33 between the multiples of 7, it's closer to 35. That's why the 33, I change it into 35, and the rest of the digits went into 0. Divided by 7, you are not going to round the 7, which equals, you can do it mentally as I taught you in our class. The 0 goes here, okay, guys, and 35 divided by 7 equals how much? Or what number times 7 gives you 35, which is 50. So your answer here for the quotient, it must be around 50. Maybe larger, maybe smaller. But as long as I made it larger, the quotient will be smaller. You're going to see that. It's going to be around 50. Okay, let's do the steps of division. 3. Here is 3. Bubble. 0 up. Subtract. Bring down. 33. It's here. 4 is up. 4 times 7. It's above the string. 28. Don't remember to subtract right. The 3 will be 13. And this 3 will be 0. 13 take away 8 equals 5. 2 take away 2 equals 0. Bring down the 6. 56. Where is 56? Here it is. It's 8. 8 times 7. It's above the string. 56. Subtract 0, 0. And that's how, guys, we do estimating. This is question number A. You can stop the video and try it by your own self, okay? Let's do another question. Gonna take question number B. Question number B. 3, 8, 7 divided by 9. We're lucky having 9. It's easy. Okay? So, divide your page. Here's your long division. 3, 8, 7 divided by 9. Timetable of 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the estimating part. We are going to estimate 387 divided by 9 equals how much? Estimating, guys. Okay, most of the multiples of the 9 has 2 digits. So you have to circle the first 2 digits. 38. Where's 38? Smaller handwriting. This is 38. Oh, sorry. 38 is here. Is it closer to 36 or closer to 35? The distance between 36 and 38 is 2. The distance between 38 and 45 is 7. So I'm going to pick 36 closer than 45. So there's 38 will be 36. The rest of the digits will change into 0 divided by 9 equals 0. Mentally goes here. Now what number times 9 gives you 36, which is 4. So your answer is going to be around what? Around 40. Okay? Let's do the long division here and check our answer. 3 between 0 and 9. Bubble. 0 times 9. Bring down the 8. 8. Who's faster than me? It's here. 4 times 9. Here. 36. There is no need to think because it's already has been written. Minus 2. 0. Bring down the 7. Remember, the arrow must not exceed this line, the line of subtraction. Here it's 27. 3 goes up times 9. 27. Subtract 0. We're done. Okay? So 43, it's close enough to 40. Another question? Or that's enough, guys? Okay, guys. I'm gonna do these without using the long division to find the exact answer, but I'm gonna show you each one how it's going to be estimated. Okay, guys? I don't want to take a long time from your day. So 382 divided by 8 equals, okay, the 39. Do you remember the multiples of 8? The 39, the multiples of 8 are 32, because it is 4 times 8 equals 32, and 5 times 8 equals 40. Is 39 closer to 32 or 40? Definitely it's 40. 40, the 2 goes as 0, divided by 8 equals, this 0 goes here mentally. What times 8 gives you 40, which is 5? So the estimated answer for this question is 50. When you do long division, the answer of your question is going to be around 50. This is question number D. Okay, I missed this one. 444 divided by 6. Let's look at 44. What are the multiples of 6 that's between above and less or more than 44? We know it's 48, which is 8 times 6, and 42, which is 7 times 6. 44, is it closer to 42 or 48? Here it's only 2 steps. Here is 4 steps. So I'm gonna pick 42. So the 44 goes to 42. The other 4 will change into 0. Divided by 6. The 0 goes here. 42. What number times 6 gives you 42, which is 7. So your answer with long division will be around 70. I hope this one, those questions are enough. Okay, I'm gonna move to the rest of the questions of the book. Remember, those questions are question 1, page number 19. Please practice on your copybook. Okay, this is not a homework, but it's better for you to exercise on these question estimating. I didn't estimate E, and F. So please try them out. Think about 33 here. 406 divided by 7. Think about the 40. Okay? Okay, guys. The rest of the questions, page number 19, 3, 4, and 5. What is the missing number? 160 divided by 8. Divided by what gives you 8? Okay? In this question, notice that the answer or the quotient has no 0. That means 160 divided by a number. The number will has its own 0 to give you the answer 8, because 8, the quotient doesn't have a 0. So 160 must be divided by a number that has 0 in the ones digit. Okay, let's cover the zeros, okay guys? And ask yourself, what number times 8 gives you 16? It's an easy answer, guys. The answer is 2. So 160 divided by 20 will give you 8. That means if you divided 160, let's say, candies into bags of 20, each bag has 20, okay, you're gonna need 8 bags. Okay. Hamid has 104 stickers. He has 8 pages in his sticker album. How many pages? He has 8, and he has 104 stickers. He places the same number of stickers on each page. How many stickers does Hamid place on his page? That means when you put something into equal groups, that means this question is going to be using division. Okay? Okay, I'm going to do it on extra paper. We have to use long division, guys. So the question is 104 divided by 8. Okay? Timetable of 8. I remember when I was a small girl, I had a little bit of hard time of how to remember the timetable of 8. But by practicing, guys, it's going to be much more easier. Practice, practice, practice. 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and then 72. Okay, divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. Okay, 1 here, bubble, 0, 0, 1. Now we have 10. Where is 10? Who's faster than me, guys? 1 goes up. 1 times 8. Subtract. Mentally, guys, there's no need to regroup. 10 take away 8. 2. 24. Here it is. 3 times 8. This one is done. Remember, guys, we're not multiplying by 13 now. We are going to multiply by 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. Subtract 0, 0. Back to the question. Then the answer is 104 divided by 8. It's going to be 13. Remainder 0. There is no need to write down the remainder 0. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Plants are sold in trays. Each tray holds 12 plants. Fatima needs 160 plants for her garden. How many trays must Fatima buy? Okay, when you see the number 12, don't panic, because they gave us a small number. We can deal with it, right, guys? Okay. I'm going to show you how. Don't panic. It's easy. We are going to use or solve this question by STR. mating. Okay? So, I have 160 divided by 12 equals how much? By the multiples of 12, you don't need to go more than the third. 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna go for longer numbers or more numbers. 0 times 12, 0. 12 times 1, 12. Though you can go by adding 12s. 12 plus 12 equals 24. I guess I'm going to stop because the 16, we need it to be rounded. The 16 is already there between the 12 and the 14. So here is 16. 16 is it closer to 12 or to 24? The distance between 16 and 12 is only 4. The distance between 16 and 24 is 8. So definitely the distance between the 16 and the 12 is 4 closer than the 16 and 24, which is 8. Okay, guys? So the 16 is going to be rounded to 12. 0 divided by 12. The same thing that I taught you. The 0 goes here. Now, hide it. 12 divided by 12, any number divided by itself equals 1. Okay? Again. How many trays must Fatima buy? Think. As long as I rounded backwards, if I multiplied 10 times 12, 10 times 12, the answer is 120. But she needs 160. So 160, take away 120, equals 40. So how many 12s in the 40, guys? 12 plus 12 equals 24. Plus 12 equals 36. Plus 12 equals... God, why I stopped? 48. So I guess I'm going to count the number of 12s that I've added. 1, 2, 3, 4. So actually, I'm not going to only use 10 trays. I'm going to use 10 trays plus another 4 trays, which equals 14. Guys, don't panic because this kind of questions is just for extra knowledge, which is not good to know. So it's a very nice question. Why not? I used it by estimating without me knowing the skill of dividing a 3-digit number by a 2-digit divisor. Okay, so this is an extra work and knowledge. Okay, so this question is just to know. So please prepare yourself for skills of question number 3, question number 4, and question number 1. Those are the skills that you need to know for now. Question number 1, question number 3, question number 4, and I'll assign you question 3, question 2, page 19 as homework. Okay, guys, have a nice day.